I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
And actually, that last one, man, the tack thing, I don't know what took me so long to do it. I be procrastinating sometimes, man. Even though it's productivity or procrastination, your boy still procrastinates sometimes. But yeah, good to go now. Good to go. So, I think now we can pretty much focus all our attention back onto so eventually we're gonna need, I don't know, I think it's that fucking pan, bro. I think it's that fucking transmission pan gasket. So I'm gonna look for that. Matter of fact, I thought I bought one of them bitches. I probably did. I need to look and search for some shit so that need a pan gasket and that should be fine. Also, a final look at the fans, and then that one should be good. This one, the speaker box needs screws, and that should be it for that one, I think. And then we can get back over here and focus on this one and doing final assembly, etc. So stay tuned, man. We trying to get busy, trying to be productive. I bought a what you call? This here. So bought this thing from Lyle, razor blade scraper, so I didn't catch arthritis while I was scraping the little paint and shit out the window. You know what I'm saying? So real simple. You know what I'm saying, just take it right on off of there. Thank you for visiting. So, I think you spray the glass clean on there to make it a little bit more easier. But I did it earlier, so I'm gonna do it again. But yeah, time for some Tudo shenanigans. So next video or next set, series, whatever you want to call it, of content will be Tudo box Chevy related, as those other two are at a good place. You know what I'm saying? And then after we do the Tudo stuff, then we're gonna jump to the photo because you already know what's coming. Oh, wee. Alright, so I'm gonna start trying to get this over here cleared out. Yellow boy, badass yellow boy will at least be yellow for another year or two. So what I was getting back to, so the plan is to do what I need to do to the Tudo, and then turn around back door, bring in the photo, and then pretty much be good to go. Be good to go. Alright, so as far as the Tudo, I know that we said that we was going to finish the dash, but in order to do that, I also have to be able to, I need to think of anything else that's behind there that I need to get done. More than likely, I'm gonna run the speakers to the doors through there. That'll be interesting. If not, we'll run them up, put them in the console in the front there. So we just need to finish bracing that. But before we do that, I know that there's something else that y'all probably forgot about, or y'all thought I forgot about, is that we gotta put our remote start alarm on this thing. Yep, I ain't forget. Shout out to my main man, Terry Guest. He sent this to me. So I'm gonna have to read the directions and get all that installed and do all that good stuff. So that's probably what I'll be fiddling with. And then, okay, it won't be a how-to, but we finna go ahead and install it. Then after we get the alarm installed, then we won't have to go back up under the dashboard, and then we can go ahead and finish mounting the dash, and then working our way back. Is there anything else need to go in this model? I don't think it is. I think that was the main thing, the alarm system. So we'll get that done, and then everything like that. I think I've brought it to y'all attention before that this was one AUTOPAGE I've had before. It was the same one that was on my Tahoe. But it'd be so long in between these videos that hell, I don't even be remembering what the hell be going on. Like FedEx pulling up with the pack. Yeah, so AUTOPAGE, same receiver, but I don't got this one. This is 74 LCD. Thank you, sir. Alright, that was a real-time break from the FedEx person coming and me putting up gifts. So yeah, like I said, I don't got that truck no more, but I did happen to still have a receiver, which I believe is the same one. So shout out to Terry for this once again. I know sometimes I move a little bit slower than the average, but I do get around the what I say I'm gonna do. I'm talking about. I do what I say I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So I think one of the, I don't even know if they had them like this back in the day, but so these splices, I don't know if they had them back in the day, but I believe they're gonna make the job a whole lot. Nice heat shrink. Ready to go. That might be in the trunk of the Cutlass. Let me gather my stuff, man. I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, so I got these is splice, the T-tap wire connectors I was talking about. I got them on deck. So now we just gotta identify what gotta be done. So whatever alarm that you installing is gonna come with some instructions. They're gonna tell you that it should be done by a professional, and that's totally up to you how you decide to do it. Whoever you have to install it, etc., etc. Let's see. H1 harness, I have the H5 harness, H4 connector for the door locks, and then I'm guessing this one, so ain't the brightest, but that one looked like that one. This one got red and white, white, black, brown, and red. That's that one. Then there's a, what it says, 3-pin. That is blue and green. Blue and green. Okay. So that should be that one. Well, actually, yeah. So that's the door lock connector. Let's see what else. But yeah, this is the major one where you need these should look familiar to you. Red, purple, pink, yellow, and then brown. Not a lot. So think about it. And then the 5-pin harness is siren output, the main ground, parking lot relay, parking light relay power output, and then 12-volt power. So my first task is to figure out which wires is which we pretty familiar with it, doing the LS swap, and then we're going to wire what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually wire the harnesses into the car, and then after that it ain't nothing but fucking plug and play anyway. So wire that into there, or wire, yeah, like I said, wire it into the car, and then just go down there, plug it into there, and then that's the end all be all of that. So this is gonna be part 1 of this video, identifying your wires, and then in part 2 it'll probably be done, because like I said, this ain't a how-to. This is just, if you have the technical know-how, the prowess, how would you go about it? So that's what I'm showing you here today.